How to maximize the lifespan of your new DYNOtop windshield protection film. Here are some do's and don'ts. Do. Use a new soft microfiber towel. We recommend the yellow microfibers from Costco. If you're worried about the type of towel you have, test it in a small corner to ensure you're not scratching the film. Don't use an abrasive glass-specific cleaning towel. This can scratch the film. Remember, you're not cleaning glass but a TPU-based plastic. Do use isopropyl-based glass cleaners when cleaning the windshield. Products like Sprayway, Steck Glass Cleaner, and a 70% based isopropyl alcohol are great. Don't use ammonia-based cleaners or disinfectants, as this can cause the film to become hazy, ruin the TPU top coat, and degrade the film's properties. Do ensure you're in a cool shaded area when cleaning the windshield. Apply a liberal amount of cleaner. Let the cleaner do the work, using light pressure when wiping away. Don't apply on a hot windshield or direct sunlight, as this will cause the chemicals to evaporate. Do replace your wipers with new ones once the film is installed. We recommend a silicone wiper as it is less abrasive and it will glide a lot easier on the surface. Don't use old wipers if you want to maximize the lifespan of your DYNOtop. Cracked or dried out wipers can cause scratches to appear over time. Do use your windshield wiper fluid every first initial wipe, even if it's raining. The lubrication of the windshield wiper fluid will help clear any sediment that your windshield has potentially picked up while driving. Don't use your wipers without some form of lubrication on a windshield. Remember to avoid using your wipers on a dry windshield. Do maintain DYNOtop with an SiO2-based glass treatment product after washing your car. Products like Rain-X, Rio's ceramic window glass cleaner, or DynoFinish will help maintain the film's hydrophobic layer and other properties. Do not apply any forms of waxes. Waxes can oxidize, yellow, and cause DYNOtop to become hazy. Don't use an ice scraper or brush to clear off ice or snow. Make sure to only use your defroster in colder climates.